把那个窗帘给它带一下。Hello, welcome to my live show. Okay, at first let me adjust my camera and hope you guys can see what I'm talking today. Okay, today it's my honor to be here to introduce our items. At first, let me introduce myself. My name is Erica and I'm from Shenzhen Maifang Technology Company Limited. So, and you can see on the back side, this is our showroom. That is some items from our company. And so let me adjust the camera so you guys can see it clearly. Okay, so now everything is clear. This is the footboard. So today I will introduce item one by one to you guys. At first, we will say the air duster. Okay, let me show you both model here. This is our air duster. And let me put the item down. At first, let me show you the air duster 2-in-1. We have almost 5 models for 2-in-1. This is the maybe I need to put it higher than you can see. VC12A and this one is VC12B. And I will show you one by one. And we also have the other 4 model for this 2 model. This is VC14A and 14B. And for this model, this one, maybe I stand here and it's better. You can show it clearly. So let me show you one by one for this one. VC12A, VC12. Okay, now it's a little bit better. Okay, let me open the item, the VC12A, and this is the inner packing of this model. And here is the manual of this model. And the inside is the product. Here we also have a flannel bag. We also say clothes bag to collect the item when we finish using. And inside the box we have the accessories. Okay, let me put the accessories one by one. This is for the vacuum, and this is the nozzle for blowing, and the nozzle for blowing too without a brush. And here is the Type-C USB cable. Okay, I will show you later. And for this is the vacuum. We also have 3 more nozzles. This is for swimming ring. You can see the nozzle is for swimming ring. and for this is for air matches. Okay, so this is for uh, exhausting air matches. So let me install the item for you guys. For the vacuum part, that is very easy. Put it straight. And for the other side, this is for blowing. We need a connector here. Just cut, rotate. Okay. Now the whole item is like this. So, and here is the vacuum part is movable. Okay, you can vacuum. And you guys can see, here's the sand we can vacuum. Inside, it's easy to vacuum the sand. And for this one, that is too full. So let me show you again for the sand. We can leave the sand in the box. It's hard to show here. For this model, the suction power is 5,000 par. 5,000, we can say 5K par. 5K par for this model. That is the suction power for this model. Okay, so let me show you the blowing function. It's almost the same. If we finish it, we can, blow the sand. Okay, the other side is for blowing. Okay, let me show you the other nozzles. This is for swimming ring nozzle. Like we can inflate the ball. Okay, this is the swimming ring for the ball. Also, we have the vacuum. This is for the vacuum nozzle. Okay, let's show you for blowing the air matches. when we finish using the air mattress, we can use the other nozzle for vacuum. That is also very easy, like this one. This is for vacuum function. The other one is if for vacuum function, we need to install here for vacuum function. Also, we have the you see here is the vacuum bag. We can put the like this is the clothes. We can put it in. You know, in winter, sometimes we need to pack our goods. You need to change it to the, and you can see the hole here. So change the vacuum nozzle. This one is vacuum nozzle. Then just put this in the hole, then we can start. DC motor. DC motor. We also have the same design, which is with BLDC motor. That is our number VC12B. VC12B. Let me show you the other item, VC12B. VC12A, I will show you the comparison later. This one is a VC12B, and you can see the packing. This one is a VC12A, and this one is a VC12B. The packing and the design is almost the same, only the different, there are two. The first is the motor. For VC12B, this one is BLDC motor, and for the other one, for this one, that is DC motor. The second for the battery power. For BLDC motor, we use 2050 mAh battery with, long using time. So let me open to you. And also for this model, BLDC model, we have 3 different kinds of gears for this item. And you guys welcome to my live show. And if you have any question for our item, you can leave your message here, then I can answer you when I see. This is the inner packing for the item. Also, this is the manual of the item. And this is the inside. Okay, the next item is also really, really portable. You guys can see I'm a lady, but use this one is also very portable. Very small. And the weight is almost 600 grams. Here is the Type-C charge port. We only match the Type-C cable. Also for this model, we have a faster charge. The charging time is 2 to 5 hours, 2.5, 2 hours, almost like this. And for the other side, you need to connect to your plug. And here's the button. I think it's clear. We have three gears. The first one, the second one, third one. The first, the second, the third one. Yes, this is the motor. Also inside, you can see the filter. The filter is washable. When the filter is dirty, you can use some clean water to wash it. Then can and it's reusable. It's easy to install. The same for V12B. We also have different kinds of nozzles. Let me open to you guys, show you guys. Here is the vacuum nozzle, and here is brush. This one is movable. Just put it inside. The install is very easy. Then we can start to use it. Like the scent. Okay. When we finish the cleaning, then we can disassemble this one and throw the dust in the bin. Okay, this is our VC12B model. VC12B also have different nozzles. The same for the other item. Let me install for you one by one. Connect the nozzle. And I think you guys are focused on the wind power for this item. Let me test for you. Okay, for the wind speed, let me test the wind speed for you. Also for this design, that is, we have the patent for this, for the handle. The handle is rotate. If you want to use the vacuum part, then like this. If you want to the blowing part, then you can rotate like this. I will use two tools to test for you. At first, let me show you. This is the kitchen scale, and I will show the unit to ohms. Maybe you can type here which one you want. Okay, now it's ohms. It almost 85 grams. You know, when I put it straight, the number is a little bit not correct. So let me show you the other one. This is the wind speed testing tool. Let me open the tool. We use the unit is meter per second, meter per second. Okay, you guys can see it clearly, meter per second. So let me test for you. Okay, let me open the light. And you guys can see the highest wind speed for this item is 26 meter per second, 26 meter per second. Also, I will show you the other unit like a kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour. This one is 26. Let me show you again for the unit kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour. Then let me show you again. And you guys can see for kilometer per hour for this item, it is 97 kilometer per hour, 97 kilometer per hour. So I think the wind speed is really strong. I think the wind speed is really strong. You guys can see. Okay, that is the wind speed for the item. And for suction, we don't have the testing tools, but we think almost the same because you know the motor is the same. So we say for this model, the highest suction power is 12,000 par. 12,000 par. Okay. This is the second item I introduced to you guys. Okay, the third I will introduce our other two-in-one vacuum cleaner. So I will send you to okay, let me show you. Okay, I finished to introduce those. Then I will introduce this one. Okay, you guys can see this one's almost the same. You can see the both item that with green and gray cover. The color is different. The function is almost the same like the item I just introduced, but only the design, the shape is a little bit different. So let me open both model together to show you. I don't know why. Just make the camera better, then you can see in the video better. Okay, it's okay. And you guys can see for this two item, we see 12B and we see 14A, B, we see 14B. The same at first, I will introduce the detail to you guys. Here is the type C charge. Here is the button. Here is the button to change the windows gears. And here is the sorry, vacuum. And here is the blowing. The using is like this. That is different between the item I just introduced you. For this item, the using is like this. The handle is here. And for this one, the handle is like this. So that is different. Okay, let me install. Okay, let me install both to you. Same, this is for vacuum part. Then just install directly. And for the button, let's install. I just stand far away, then you guys can see it clearly. If you want to use the blowing, we can use blowing like this. Use the blowing function. That is very easy. If you want to use the vacuum part, we can install, disassemble this one. Assemble this one. Then we can start to use it. The same for this model, we also have different nozzles, like this one, that is the vacuum nozzle, and the swimming nozzle to install like this. Also the air mattress nozzle. for this model also have a different function. Also, at last, I will introduce the other model VC16. VC16, that is this model. Also for this model, we say the function is with LED light, and also we also do a little bit. Let me show you directly. The design for this model is like this. That is a little bit different between from the others. This is VC12A, this is VC16. And let me install, then you guys can see together. Okay, just put it here. The same for this one, just put the nozzle inside. And the other part is for the vacuum. I mean, only the shape is a little bit different, and here is with LED light. Let me show you. Here's the LED light. I mean, in the light you can see the dust under the chair, or somewhere in some corner. And for the here is the button to change the window gears. Okay, let me show you this item. The same, the here's the Type C charge port. Here is the Type C charge port here. And here is the nozzle for different nozzles. And here's the LED light. So let me make a conclusion for all the models that I just introduced to you guys, then you can have overall you have brief idea for our item. This is the VC16. I have the LED light inside. And this one is a VC1214. That is the total different design. And here is the this is VC12. A and B. So much for today's live show, and I will make a conclusion for all the two-in-one models in our factory. We have a total 5 models. This one is VC12A and B for this model, DC model and BLDC model. BLDC model with more powerful and long time using. And this one is VC12B and A. The shape is like this. And this is VC16 with LED light. The shape is a little bit different. So just depends on you and let us know which shape you like. And for next video, I will show you the air duster. And thanks for you guys for watching. That's so much for the show. If you have any question, you can contact us, and we will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks.